Welcome to the Top Best. The best Stanley Home Tool Kit is probably one of the most essential investments any homeowner or DIY enthusiast can make, offering a comprehensive collection of reliable tools designed to tackle a wide range of household repairs and projects, ensuring you're always prepared for whatever comes your way, from minor fixes to more involved renovations, all within a convenient and organized package that saves you time and frustration. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max Cordless Drill Project Kit. Get ready for your home projects with this powerful 20V Max drill. It's designed to handle a variety of tasks with ease. This comprehensive kit offers an incredible value, exceeding $150. It's everything you need to get started on your DIY adventures. The included lithium-ion battery is always ready when you are. It can hold a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring it's ready for your next project. Achieve precise results with the 11-position clutch. This feature provides an extra level of control, preventing stripped screws and overdriving. This kit doesn't just include the drill, it comes with 66 essential hand tools and accessories. You'll have everything you need in one package. Keep everything organized and transport it easily with the included carrying bag. It's perfect for both portability and convenient storage. What we like. This kit offers cordless drill power for a wide range of home projects. If you're looking for a versatile set that includes a drill and numerous accessories for various tasks, this is a great choice. It's ideal for homeowners who want to tackle DIY projects with the convenience of a cordless tool. What people say. The tool kit is very comprehensive, containing all the essential tools for home repairs. The tools are made of high-quality materials and feel durable. The compact design makes it easy to store and transport. Number 4. Prostormer 259-piece Tool Kit. Experience exceptional strength and long-lasting corrosion resistance with tools crafted from high-quality, heat-treated chrome vanadium steel. The comfortable, non-slip grips reduce hand fatigue, ensuring ease of use during any task. This comprehensive set is your perfect companion for furniture assembly, home maintenance, DIY projects, and basic automotive repairs. Its compact and organized design makes it easy to store or take with you anywhere. You'll find everything you need, including a full selection of metric sockets, a versatile ratchet for tight spaces, precision screwdrivers, a level, hammer, tape measure, pliers, and a wide array of screwdriver bits. All your tools are securely housed in a hardshell plastic carrying case. The custom-molded interior keeps everything organized, protected, and easy to find, making storage and transport a breeze. This makes an ideal gift for dads, handymen, homeowners, or anyone starting their tool collection. It's perfect for any special occasion, from Father's Day to birthdays. What we like. This is an all-in-one solution with a vast assortment of tools for home and car repairs. If you need a comprehensive set that covers almost any basic repair or assembly task, this is the one. Its durable construction and comfortable grip make it suitable for frequent use by DIY enthusiasts or car owners. What people say. Fantastic basic tool set for all types of applications. Anything needed metric, but you can add your own wrenches and short sockets. Great for a new technicians. There's even a stack of zip ties in there. The kit has just about everything tool you'll need for household maintenance and minor repairs. The storage box holds all the items securely and things stay put. It has just about everything you need and the tools are sturdy. The case is nice and strong too. Number 3. DEKOPRO 218-piece General Household Hand Tool Kit. Introducing the DEKOPRO 218-piece General Household Hand Tool Kit. It's a professional auto repair tool set designed for homeowners, providing essential tools for various tasks. Crafted from high-strength chrome vanadium steel and quality steel with an oxide layer, these tools offer superior strength and longevity. They meet and exceed ANSI critical standards for reliable performance. This comprehensive set includes a wide array of updated tools such as combination spanners, Phillips screwdrivers, sockets, an adjustable wrench, and pliers. It perfectly meets all your daily needs. All the tools are neatly organized in a compact and portable storage case, ensuring they stay in place during transport. The case is designed for easy access and carrying. Each tool features an ergonomically designed handle for a comfortable grip. This makes them ideal for extended use in your home, office, or garage. This multifunctional tool kit makes an excellent gift for family, friends, or partners. Its versatility and quality are sure to be appreciated. It's perfect for home DIY projects and most small repairs, including furniture assembly, woodwork, plumbing, car maintenance, and garden work. This set is your go-to solution for a wide range of applications. What we like. This set provides a rich selection of updated tools for daily needs and small repairs. If you're a homeowner or someone who frequently engages in DIY projects, this kit offers a good balance of quality and quantity. It's perfect for furniture assembly, basic plumbing, or garage construction tasks. What people say. The Stanley Home Tool Kit is a comprehensive set with all the essential tools for basic home repairs. It includes a variety of pliers, screwdrivers, a hammer, and a tape measure, making it versatile for different tasks. The tools are made of durable material and are designed for comfortable grip and easy handling. Number 2. JENABOM 61-in-1 Ratcheting Screwdriver Set. Introducing the JENABOM 61-in-1 Ratcheting Screwdriver Set, your ultimate solution for household repairs and electronic device maintenance. This comprehensive kit is designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Crafted from high-density chrome vanadium steel, these bits are exceptionally hard, wear-resistant, and built to last. The magnetic tip ensures bits stay securely in place, and the non-slip surface with a tail-bearing design helps tackle even the tightest screws. The handle rotates 180 degrees, allowing you to reach difficult areas with ease. Its magnetic tip can attract and hold small screws, preventing loss. The entire set is housed in a compact, space-saving carrying case. This set includes 61 pieces with a wide variety of precision bits, including hex, Torx, flathead, Phillips, and more. With 48 easily replaceable bits, it's perfect for maintaining small household items. Everything is neatly organized in a compact carrying case, making it easy to store and transport. This allows for quick access to the right tool for any repair or assembly task. This versatile tool is ideal for servicing a wide array of items, from home appliances like washing machines and refrigerators to electronic devices such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones. It's also great for repairing glasses, watches, cameras, and even bicycles. What we like. This is a highly specialized set focused on precision screwdriving with a ratcheting handle. If you frequently work with electronics, small appliances, or furniture that requires intricate screw work, this kit is ideal. Its compact design and extensive bit selection make it perfect for detailed repairs and assembly. What people say. The Stanley Home Tool Kit is a comprehensive set that includes all the essential tools for basic home repairs and DIY projects. The tools are made of durable materials, ensuring longevity and reliability for frequent use. The compact and organized carrying case makes it easy to store and transport the toolkit, keeping all the tools in one place. Number 1. TECKMAN TR9 Torx Screwdriver Set for PS4-PS5. This comprehensive kit includes the essential T9 security screwdriver for your PS4, along with PH0, PH1, and PH00 Phillips screwdrivers. They are perfect for removing the small screws found on controllers and consoles. Never lose a tiny screw again. These screwdrivers feature magnetic tips that securely hold screws in place, making your repair or cleaning process much more convenient. Get everything you need for cleaning and maintenance. This kit comes complete with opening tools, pry bars, tweezers, and a brush, simplifying the process of opening and cleaning your devices. Built to last, the precision screwdriver bits are crafted from high-quality S2 steel. They are specially hardened for enhanced durability and precision, ensuring a reliable tool for all your repair needs. Experience comfortable repairs with our non-skid, flexible handles. Made from TPR and PP materials, they offer an ergonomic and easy grip, making them comfortable to use for extended periods. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for repairing and cleaning gaming consoles like PS4 and PS5. If you're a gamer or tech enthusiast who needs to open, clean, or repair your PlayStation, this is the essential toolset. It includes the specialized security bits and opening tools required for these devices. What people say. These tools have never done me wrong. They're so universal when it comes to electronics that you can use it for more than its intended purpose. The screwdrivers and surprisingly super good quality as well. All you need to keep up the maintenance on your console. Comes in a nice little pouch to keep it all together. It's a good value. Sturdy and precise fit. Everything included in this kit worked with all the screws in the PS5 including the cool kit he has attached to it and the screw that it has at the bottom of it. Excellent buy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.